Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make FaceTime calls using email or phone number. Okay, first things first, let's just hop into your settings here. And we will scroll down and of course just find FaceTime and tap on that. Now, once we are in here, you can see FaceTime is turned on and it says you can be reached by FaceTime at, and it has my phone number and my email address right below it. So all I have to do is to check that email address and phone number if I want to be contacted or send any FaceTime calls through my email address. And you can always uncheck either the phone number or email if you don't want it to be associated with your FaceTime account. But if you have both of them checked, you can send or receive calls through FaceTime through your phone number or your email address. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now make FaceTime calls using email or phone number. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.